it's Erica, and for today's video, nasa airport tayo, guys. And that means flight tayo. So, ayun na nga. This is our first international travel and kasama ang buong family. So, once you go out of the plane, turn right, and then, ayan, arrivals is Macau International Airport. Dito tayo. Nothing to declare. So, we're here sa arrivals area. Hahanap tayo ng pag-withdrawhan and maybe some 7-Eleven para makakain. Okay guys, so from there, that is the arrival area. Tapos, right side, meron ditong Bank of China. And the Bank of China, nag-withdraw kami using GoTime. Okay, so from the airport, ayan, labas kayo and meron ditong bus station. And we will be riding MT4. Ayan, MT4 bus going to our hotel, Believe and More. Tapos 5 Macanese pataka siya. So around 35 pesos, which is not bad for an ice cream na masarap.
Start count 1. Eggy. Hindi siya matamis. Nasa 3 pa lang. 3, oh. Kaya mo na sila pa. Egg tart number 2.
two from Koi Cake.
Mas masarap siya.
Less ng konti sa egg.
Still
Okay.
eggy. pero
Matamis? Medyo. Okay, good.
Mas less sa egg.
Okay, out of 5?
4.
4. So we're inside ruins of St. Paul. Okay, so nung bumaba kami sa Grand Lisboa Palace Resort, umikot muna kami dun sa loob mismo. And then, nakita namin na merong shuttle to Kotay Strip and sa West Entrance siya. Okay, so punta kayo dun para makapunta kayo sa Venetian or sa Studio City. Good!
Dapat ba nag-glitch yung
10 out of 10? Oh my God. Hi guys! So we're now going to the Outer Harbor Ferry Terminal. And ang sinakyan namin bus is bus number 60. So paglabas lang ng Believe in More, nandun na yung bus stop. And yun na yun. So another 6 MOP for that one.